congratulations for getting this wonderful opportunity with NTT.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
So, from how long you have been associated with PyNet Labs, like the maybe from the group or maybe from the LinkedIn? How long?
I would say around 2+ years. When I was working in a Wipro, I joined
Mm.
this group. From
Okay,
LinkedIn,
okay.
I joined it. Then I was part of a Telegram group. I was keep on following the every post on a Telegram.
So, would like to understand what profile they're offering you and how is the package with them?
So the profile is for senior network engineer.
Okay.
So it will be an L2 L3 role. It's a kind
Mm-hmm.
of there is only one team
Mm-hmm.
handling both L2 and L3 network segment.
Hello, Imran. How are you?
Hi Nandini, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm also doing really great. And congratulations for getting this wonderful opportunity with NTT.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Would like to know about your experience, how you're feeling right now.
I was actually I was I'll tell the truth. So
Mm-hmm.
actually I was sacked from a company under the cost cuts as a kind of official layoff. So
Okay.
I was at
Mm-hmm.
very edge of movement. So luckily, I was already a part of PyNet's group, network openings group. So I would very appreciate their efforts because otherwise I could have not got this opportunity to get it interviewed because PyNet's intervention I was made through the first screening.
Mm-hmm.
So I was very actually needed the job. Uh, Otherwise, it could have been very difficult for me.
I know. When you told me that you're not working right now, and
Yeah,
I think you just text me a week ago before this opening I have shared with you. You just texted
correct.
me a week ago that Nandini, if you have something that I'm not working right now, and because of your current company layoff thing, you are not working, and it just happens suddenly. We can understand the industry things, and it happens, right? So
Yeah,
I was also like, okay, Imran, okay, fair. Because last year also we are able to give you an offer in one of the companies last year, and that's why I'm in touch with you because I knew, okay,
correct.
this guy is good technically and everything. So I was in the touch with you, and it was not expected, and you texted me, okay, you're not working, and I understood your situation. I just felt, okay, fine, if I'll get something, I'll definitely tell him. And it just happened that I got the opportunity for entity, and the guy they were looking, I know that, yeah, you have all the skills and everything. I can text back to Imran and he'll be the right guy. It just happened. I think it was just meant to be something like that. But I'll definitely appreciate your the way you approach me, then the patience level or not, and okay ma'am, okay fine, yeah ma'am, tell me when it will be happening, yeah I'll join. So yeah, definitely you are a person like who's be attending the interviews and everything. You did all the part. We are just the mediators, you can tell that we just become a mediator to make this possible. So we are also happy. So, Imran would like to understand how the process went with this entity interview.
So once after I got to know about the opportunity, so we discussed and we shared the profile with them. So they
Mm-hmm.
scheduled a L1 screening. So then
Mm-hmm.
after two technical were happened, actually total of three technicals. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so they were into a very, it was actually a very new project. So they needed a candidate who have already a solid understanding of all uh,
Yes.
technologies before. So that they can directly onboard and start working rather
Mm-hmm.
than they invest some time on training and all. They need a guy who actually pull up all the strings at a time. So
Yes, yes, yes. They
that's
told
why
me
they,
about
they
it.
were they were filtering out more candidates. Luckily, I was able to get through once after. Yeah, PyNet. We shared the resume with them.
Yeah, I tell him that this guy is very good, right? The person who's
Correct.
connected with me in like in NTT, I told him, this guy is very good, and of course the plus point was that you were an immediate joiner. It was a very
Correct.
plus point actually. Uh, so I thought, okay, fair, let's see how it went. And I was not even assuming, it just came on 27th of December that, that he, like, in the end of the year, that yes, he got selected and I'm sending him the offer letter and everything. I'm also happy. So, would like to understand what profile they're offering you and how is the package with them?
So the profile is for senior network engineer.
Okay.
So it will be an L2 L3 role. It's a kind
Mm-hmm.
of, there is only one team
Mm-hmm.
handling both L2 and L3 network segment.
Mm-hmm.
So the package wise, they offer the same, which as the current one. Yeah. So I'm fine with it because rather than searching for a pay, I need a stable employment, which I found it very early. Uh, that
Mm-hmm.
I'm very much lucky for that. Yeah. So that's
Great.
it.
Great, great. So from how long you have been associated with PyNet Labs? Like the maybe from the group or maybe from the LinkedIn. How long?
I would say around 2+ years. When I was working in a Wipro, I joined this
Mm.
group. From
Okay,
LinkedIn,
okay.
I joined it. Then I was part of a Telegram group. I was keep on following the every post on a Telegram. So that's where I got this opportunity. This is the second time. First time uh, we did not work out as expected.
Yes, yes.
But this,
First time you
yeah,
got another offer from anywhere else, and that's why you switched. That's what like it was a choice. So that's totally fine with us because we
yeah,
also want the best for candidates, right? So
correct.
okay, fine. But it's very, it's very important for every network engineer, right? To understand. So it is a process, but if you are doing it, if you are in it, so we'll definitely try to give you the solutions or the possible offers. We put efforts. Okay, fine, if we are able to place this guy or that guy, we can help him or help him, so we do that. So the last question would like to take from you that if you have to say something to other network engineers who sometimes struggle to find a job or obviously take so much pressure, so what do you want to suggest them?
So my suggestion would be, see, jobs are available some or the other way in the market, which we may or may not be have the visibility. So there are some channels like Pinet is one of them. So once we approach them in a correct way, definitely we would get help, right? So we need
Yes.
to change the ways when we are not getting the good results. So the way of approach we need to follow. And yes, I did that actually. It worked out for me very well. Even though they might apply Naukri and all,
Mm-hmm.
they just need to brush up something or change the way of they're trying to apply with, or be in touch with all the connections they are in.
Mm-hmm. I think you actually mentioned a very, very important line, the right approach. I
Yeah.
really believe this word, the right approach is very important. Even I, if, even PyNet Labs, the person who is connected with the guys or helping others, the approach matter actually. The way you are approaching us would be the way we'll be giving you the results, right? Because sometimes candidate is also not aware what they want, and they just in random way they'll like say, hi, I want this job. So I think that would be difficult for us to analysis, to screen, to answer everyone. So if the somebody is very approaching in the right way, applying for the right opening at the right time, it will be very good for us to call them, entertain them, right? So that they can get a good job. So I mean, it's a very great, and again congratulations that as we are I'm also happy that PyNet Labs are able to help people in a situation where they really need a job, right? As you said that
Yes.
you are not working at particular time and you are just searching for a job. So it is kind of very feeling very good for that. And thank you so much for your time, Imran, that you have given me your words and you are here. Thank you so much.
Yep. Always. Thank you.